third most cherished pet is equally playful. The common parakeet, better known as the budgerigar, is hardwired to seek out company. A mirror provides a temporary companion. He doesn't see it as a reflection of himself, more a buddy who comes and goes. But when he wants some real quality time, he's learnt some playful tricks to get noticed.
Disco, what did Mama say? Are you dancing? What is it, Disco? Yeah, come on over. Come on out.
Having captured his owner's attention, he can practice another skill.
It's not easy being green.
It's not easy being green. It's not easy being green.
Mimicry isn't as unnatural as it seems. Wild parakeets mimic each other, and each family learns their own distinct calls.
Never shake a baby bird. That would surely be absurd.
Never shake a baby bird. That would surely be absurd.
This budgie is just doing what he would do in the flock.
That a parakeet? What is it? A three-melon bird that talks? That's not important right now.
Even having a name may not be as unnatural as it seems.
I spit-chide.
I'm Disco and I know it. I'm Disco and I know it.
I am not a crook. My name is Disco.
Wild parrots have been shown to assign special calls to name their offspring, just as we name our own pet budgies.
Baby bird, just a baby bird. Keep big bird.
In turn, young parrots learn these names and use them to introduce themselves.
I am not a crook. My name is Disco.
This extraordinary ability may mean that Disco has a sense of his own identity. It certainly seems so at times.
Disco baby.
Talking is now a game, a way to express wild behaviour in the confines of his home.
Cat, meow, meow. Give me a kiss. Hey, kid has cheeseburger. Are you a little stork or a stormtrooper? Disco, I used to be a spy. And a parakeet. Sure, I'm a doctor, not a parakeet. I did, I'm a doctor.
Disco has memorised over 130 phrases in all.
My cage is bigger me inside. My cage bigger me inside.
Like learning any new language, practice makes perfect, even if it means talking in your sleep.
Give me free ride. Keep on getting a free ride. Nobody expect push it down. It's a bit of fun. Good night, Disco.
The intimacy between Disco and his owner may be unusual, but the desire to play can bring the oddest of couples together.